Huh? Where are they?
Oh, hi Joyce.
Hi.
Huh? What are you doing, Joyce?
I'm trying to find my backpack. I need some accessories so I can go to the meeting.
Accessories?
Yeah, I need some rings and earrings.
I got an idea, Joyce. I can make the jewelry for you by using this thing.
Really? Can you?
Yeah, watch me. Here you go, Joy. This is rings and earrings. Try it.
Thank you. Let me try it. Wow, they're so pretty. Wow, it looks so nice. Let me try this on. How does it look, John?
It looks pretty on you, but I think you still need something.
Huh? What is it, John?
I know. Wait on me.
Okay.
Surprise, surprise!
Wow, it's a shirt clip and a hair clip. Can I try it?
Sure, try it.
Oh, thank you. So how does it look now? Do I look nice?
Yeah, you are. You're so pretty. Huh? What is it?
Huh? What, John?
Over there.
What? Where?
Let me show you. Watch out. Is it your backpack?
Oh yeah, that is mine. Thank you. I was looking for it the whole day.
Really?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you. I have to go now. Bye.
Bye. Now, time for reading books. Huh? I lost my page. I have to do something. We need bookmark. I won't lose my page again. Perfect. Huh? Were you still here, Joyce?
I'm looking for my keys. Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna go to the meeting now, John. Bye.
Hold on, hold on.
Huh? What is it, John?
Wait on me. I had a surprise for you. keychain.
Wow, thank you. It looks so nice. With this new keychain, I won't ever lose my keys again. Let me try it on. Whoa, it looks so nice. Thank you, John. I have to go now.
Hold on.
Huh?
Did you buy the flower for your meeting?
Oh no, I forgot.
Don't worry, I can solve your problem. Here you go. It's a vase of flowers.